Hi, I'm Bill Shannon, and I'm here today to talk to you about Decoustics wood ceilings and walls. Many of you know a lot about Decoustics from our Claro and Claro Silencio system, but we also have the largest and most complete line of wood ceiling and wall products in the marketplace today. The interesting thing about Decoustic systems, however, is they're fully engineered, and as the architects are accustomed to and the contractors, we have complete shop drawings for our projects. It makes it much easier to figure out the project on paper and on our CAD systems and not in the field. The numerous engineered systems include grid-based systems and our well-known Silencio torsion spring suspension system. We also incorporate in the various Decoustics products the latest veneer and core technology, which enables you to be much more green oriented in your projects in that we're using veneer as opposed to solid wood. This accomplishes several things. Number one, it enables you to use virtually any wood species and use a much smaller amount of it than solid wood, and also incorporate a Class A incombustible, dimensionally stable core. It's really important. Now there's a lot of different levels of ceiling and wall systems with Decoustics. The first system that we'll talk about is our Quadrillo system, which is actually manufactured a lot like a furniture system, and many times is incorporated into the millwork package with actual pieces of millwork created by millwork contractors where an acoustical element is necessary. The Quadrillo product is custom made, can have full grooves or have a solid border, and various sizes and shapes for both walls and ceilings. It's a very, very popular product and has been used for many years by our architectural community. The second product I'd like to talk about is Solo M. Solo M is a thinner panel with an acoustical fabric on the back and can be utilized in a lot of different ways. For example, in the ceiling application, Solo M can be incorporated into your ceiling as a lay-in product, as a screw slot product, as a grid product, concealed lay-in, or a Silencio suspension system. So it gives you tremendous flexibility. It can also be slotted, as you can see here, or perforated. We're working on several projects at this point in time where we have a combination of the slotted and perforated panels, where we have lay-in perforated panels in corridors, and the Solo M on a Silencio suspension system in other parts of the project, and actually Quadrillo panels on the walls of a number of major rooms on the project. So it gives you a lot of flexibility, and a lot of flexibility in species of wood, the various veneers, the various slot sizes, and so forth. We also have our Solo T product, which works with a regular grid system that comes in 2x2 panels and lays into the grid system to give you the appearance of a linear ceiling system, however 100% accessibility and flexibility to the ceiling components. The next product that we have as well is our grill system. There's basically three types of grill system, and again you'll notice that this has the Class A incombustible, dimensionally stable core with the veneer on the material. This particular one is a lay-in panel. We also have a lay-away panel and also a cross-piece panel. So we have three different ways to give you a wood grill system: a dimensionally stable, Class A incombustible, flexible product. So you can pick the veneer that you're interested in using for your project. Keep in mind when you're dealing with Decoustics that every job is custom made. So you tell us what you want your building to look like. You tell us what you want your module to be on your project, and then we'll come back to you with the best Decoustics wood product to meet the criteria that you've given us. This oftentimes will mean if we're going down a corridor and you have a corner that's transitioning into a different size corner, we have a means of addressing that issue so that it doesn't have to have a cumbersome detail that really doesn't look like you want for your project. So as we always say with our various Decoustics products, when you're working on your job, please send us a sketch of what you're trying to accomplish, and we will work with our engineering staff at Decoustics to come back to you with the best solution, the most cost-effective solution, the most functional solution for your project. Because furthermore, keep in mind that you go to our website and you'll find all of the details that you need to do your project, and then we will work with you to turn your concept into reality. Thanks very much.